Hey guys, Frank from Daytona Cycle Audio here with the new Hertz SPL 8-inch Neo mid subwoofer. Thing is incredible. We've been installing them during Bike Week, sold out of them. Hey Tony, come over here and check this out. We're going to be unboxing this thing for you guys. So let's start. Knife.
Guys, these things are absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Little booklet.
Not only is he a master installer, but I found out he's a potential comedian as well.
I'm an unboxer. Knife. Check these out.
Check this bad boy out. This is absolutely awesome. This is a beautiful, beautiful speaker. I actually have these in my bike, guys, in the saddlebags. Oh my God, they are absolutely phenomenal. I had the original Hertz in there, and we got the Neos in, and we pulled the regular Hertz out and put the Neos in place.
Yeah, these are the new Neo magnets. They are incredible. They are a bit lighter than the original SVs, and man, they punch some power. Okay, 500 watts of power. So you can really pump some power into these speakers. No distortion, just loud, clean sound.
Let's take a walk over here and let's take a look at a bike we just literally finished. Our customer is about to come back and pick it up, so they're going to be excited when they hear this thing. This specific bike, we actually put a Rockford Fosgate 400 watt amp. We put Hertz in the front, but here is what the subs look like. How clean that installation is. That is absolutely beautiful, and this saddlebag creates with the size of the saddlebag creates such great sound. It's absolutely amazing. So, hey, Daytona Cycle Audio, let us crank up your bike.